Hi folks, welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at two very similar chef's knives. On the top with the blue handle we have the Victorinox Fibrox Pro 8-inch chef's knife. And on the bottom with the black handle we have the ICEL 8-inch chef's knife. First of all, I want to say that I purchased both items with my own funds and that I have not received any compensation from either the manufacturers or any distributors or anything like that. Okay, so let's get into it and go over some of the similarities and some of the differences between these two chef's knives. First of all, the blade profiles are almost exactly the same length and everything. The handle profiles are almost exactly identical too. The blade steels themselves, Victorinox does not say on their product pages, but this is known to be 1.4110 steel. The ICEL actually is laser engraved with this type of steel. It's X50CR MOV15. If you look up the chemical compositions of the two steels, they're almost exactly identical, or if not the same. As for the handle materials themselves, they're made out of a kind of a hard but grippy material. Both the Fibrox handle and the ICEL equivalent of it, they seem to be pretty much almost exactly identical in grippiness, both when dry and when wet. Both of these blades are a little bit blade heavy. I'll show you the balance point of the Victorinox right here. The ICEL balances right there, so pretty much the same balance point. So blade heavy a little bit. Now let's go into some of the differences between these two blades. First of all, the Victorinox is made in Switzerland. The ICEL is a Portuguese company and the knife is made in Portugal. If we look at the thickness of the blades, the ICEL is maybe about 25% thicker. It's a little bit thicker. The ICEL is a little bit heavier too. The Victorinox weighs 168 grams, which is 5.9 ounces. The ICEL on the bottom weighs about 10% more. It weighs 180 grams or 6.3 ounces. As for the grind, the Victorinox is very well polished over it. You can't see any grind marks on it. The ICEL, however, you can see vertical grind marks. I don't know whether this is indicative of different manufacturing processes or whether the Victorinox is just very well polished. So the Victorinox might be just stamped and they put on the bevel on the bottom, whereas the ICEL might be ground the whole way down. I'm really not sure about that. Another difference is the Victorinox is available in several different color handles. I think there's a red and a yellow available. The ICEL, as far as I know, is only available in the black. Another difference is that the Victorinox came paper shaving sharp. It came very sharp out of the box. The ICEL was not nearly as sharp and I needed to touch it up on the stone before I started using it. I think Victorinox has really excellent quality control, whereas the ICEL might not be as good. But there is a large difference in price between these two blades because the Victorinox is just about twice as much as the ICEL on the bottom. So if you feel comfortable sharpening on your own blades, you might want to go for the cheaper ICEL. So I think that covers it pretty much. Thank you for watching and have a great day.